Okay, welcome to the booth of Orise Digital GmbH. We are an SAP partner who is focused on the discrete manufacturing in medium-sized companies. And let's see what we are doing. We are focused on to be in the standard, the clean core S/4HANA. Doesn't matter which operation model you are searching, if you are in the private edition, public edition, hybrid cloud, or if you are on-premise, we do everything for you.
So is it like software in the cloud, or what is it that you do?
In general, we are SAP consultancy, we are SAP Gold partner, and we want to help our customers to optimize their SAP system to work as efficient as possible.
So SAP is a pretty big platform, right?
Yes.
There's a lot of things that are possible through SAP.
Yes, that's why we are focused on the discrete manufacturing area for medium-sized companies, because, as you say, it's a very large area and you need to be focused on something that you are very experts in that field. And we are experts especially in the SAP Business Technology Platform. We develop our own add-ons side by side. We integrate different systems for you, and we integrate your customers and supply chain. As well, we are very good in general reporting, analytics, and planning topics. As you can see here, we are experts in the SAP Business Data Cloud, and we have for big planning scenarios the Charbax performance management, and of course the most important thing in the beginning, we start with a 3D process analysis, which means we focus on the 3 dimensions of Lean, SAP standard, and AI readiness. And based on that, we can work with you with Signavio, Cloud ALM, and LeanIX to work out your business transformation.
So do you think SAP is pretty cool?
SAP is not just pretty cool, SAP is the future for companies to be with the best technology to improve their processes and daily work to be most efficient as possible.
And here at the booth, can you introduce some of your colleagues? What do they do and what do you do?
I'm responsible for business development at Orise Digital GmbH, and we have experts here from marketing, Lena Zinsmeister. We have Florian Schreckenfuchs, who is responsible for consultancy of production and logistics.
What do we see here?
Yeah, this is quite impressive, right? This is a very good workplace for assembly lines, and this is our cooperation we are presenting here at this booth. Together with Optimum and Aztec, we set up this beautiful place to work.
What did you do about this?
What we do is the system behind. We build the connection. We have an add-on manufacturing manager, which is based on the standard of SAP and integrated in SAP. So you work here and directly the system, Schlaue Klaus, recognizes what you do, gives you...
With a camera in there?
Yes, with a camera, but with a beamer as well, it tells you what to do.
So there's like a projector that's telling you what to do with all these tools.
Yes.
In real time?
In real time.
It understands what this is, what this is, what that is, and just tells you.
Yes.
With a voice also? Maybe.
No, not with a voice, with pictures. You see it here,
pictures.
What you can do. Wait, we can start a new one if you like to. Wait, this is not touchscreen, unfortunately. We start a new process. So I'm just setting it up.
Nice. And is this just a really cool demo, or it's actually being used out there?
This is actually used out there.
So now I see the projector is on, and it knows where the table is, it knows where the stuff is.
It's asking me now because I have a lot of stuff here. I need to put this away. And so you see it. Currently it misses something. Wait. So now it's working. I'm sorry. Yeah. So in general, you see now this screen. it's showing what I need to do. And I have never learned that, but you see here the light, so I cannot do any mistake.
So you take this out?
Yeah, you take this out, you just throw it like the picture here. It directly recognizes, okay, I did it, and I can move on taking the block here. I put this block here, and it realized, okay, it's done, the block is here. Then I need to grab the pen, put it here, and it recognized, okay, I did it, it's here. I take Johann, put him here. Wait, this is a mistake. You see, nothing is happening. So I need to wait for the cobot who should bring me now this part here, but unfortunately he has two less here to take it off.
Okay.
But I will take now this one here to show it to you. You put it here, and yes, and so the process goes on. And you have here a real-time dashboard what I am doing. And you see I did the bag, I did the block, I did the pen. So I'm at 25%, and I have an OEE of 96%.
So this could be in all over the SPS automation world. You could do this stuff.
Yes.
It's useful in many different things in factories.
Yes, in general for discrete manufacturing, especially for assembly line, this workplace could be very interesting. But our tool, our MES system for SAP could be interesting for everybody out there who has a production.
HDMI technology powers the global ecosystem of connected devices, enabling advanced displays that deliver immersive visuals and sound across entertainment, professional, and everyday applications.
As the preferred technology for digital AV connectivity, HDMI technology and the features and benefits it enables
Links billions of products worldwide, from HD TVs, set-top boxes, and laptops to gaming consoles, projectors, and audio-video receivers. It provides the reliable, high-bandwidth connectivity needed for today's ultra-high-definition video, lifelike color accuracy, and immersive sound formats. HDMI technology drives innovation across industries, including digital signage, medical imaging, education, and esports. With unmatched performance, interoperability, and scalability, HDMI technology continues to define how content is created, shared, and enjoyed around the world.